Today, I'll show you how to create a timesheet in Zoho People. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to log your work hours quickly and accurately so your time tracking stays organized and up to date. Let's start from the main Zoho People dashboard. Once you've signed in and you're on the home screen, look for the section or tab labeled Timesheet. Depending on how your organization has set things up, this might be in the top navigation bar or under a menu like Time or Attendance. Take a moment to locate it, because this is where you'll be coming back regularly to log your hours. Go ahead and click on Timesheet. This will take you to the main timesheet page. Here, you'll usually see an overview of your existing entries, broken down by day, week, or month. This is a good place to quickly check what you've already logged and make sure there are no gaps or duplicates. For now, we're going to create a new entry. On this page, look for the option that says Create Timesheet. It might appear as a button at the top of the screen or as an icon near your current date view. When you see it, click Create Timesheet. This opens a form where you'll enter all the details for the time you're recording. The first key detail is the project or task you worked on. In most setups, you'll see a drop-down list or a search box labeled something like Project, Job, or Task. Click into that field and select the appropriate project or task assigned to you. If your company uses different clients, internal projects, or billable categories, take a second to pick the one that best matches the work you did. Choosing the correct project now helps keep reports and billing accurate later. Once the project or task is selected, move to the area where you enter the hours worked. This might be a single field for total hours or separate fields for start time and end time that automatically calculate the duration. Type in the number of hours you worked during that period. Be as precise as your company requires. Some teams round to the nearest half hour, while others log down to the minute. If there's a notes or description field available, this can be a useful place to briefly mention what you did, especially if you switch between similar tasks. Before you save, take a moment to review everything. Confirm that you've chosen the right project or task, that the date is correct, and that the hours you entered reflect the actual time you worked. Catching mistakes now can save you from having to submit corrections later or explain discrepancies during approvals. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho People will record your timesheet entry and usually bring you back to the main timesheet view. Here, you should now see the new entry listed for the relevant day or period. If your organization requires it, this entry may now be ready for manager review or approval. That's all there is to it. You go to Timesheet, create a new timesheet, select the right project or task, enter your hours, and save. Once you get used to this flow, it only